Hello guys, my name is Tyrone and you're watching RoyalT Empire Education. And today we are going to teach you what stocks are and how it's going to benefit you with some precautions before you join the stock market. A lot of people ask me about what stocks are, and I ask them, go ask your family members or your friends what it is first and find out. And they come back to me with an answer of having a share in a company, creating an income, and benefiting from investing in a company for a long time. Well, all those three things are accurately correct. Stocks are a small ownership of a business or a corporation. You buy their shares that they provide for you to make money off of their earnings or the price of the share going up for you to sell it. So this basically means whenever you buy a share at a certain price and it goes above that price, you can sell it and make profit from that gap. Now, I'm not saying that all stocks are going up. Based on my experience, a lot of them go down. When I first started off, I started off with Robinhood as soon as I turned 18. Because when I realized about what stocks are, I realized that 9-to-5 jobs are not the only way to make money. So here I am, 18 and young. I started off with Robinhood and I lost a lot of money. So I decided to take a lot of courses and different types of researching in stock market. It took me a lot of time, and that's why I'm creating this video and courses just for you. So you can save time and use the things you learn and apply it in real life. Because that is our value in RoyalT Empire Education. Benefits of joining the stock market. You can benefit by joining the stock market in a lot of ways. One of those ways is you stay ahead of the inflation rate. This means that when you put your money in the stock market, your dollar value is not going to go down. It will stay the same as long as you keep it in there. Another way that it can benefit you is that you can make more money with the money you already have. Let's say you have $1,000 right now in your bank account and it's doing nothing, no work. Now we want to put that money into work because we earned it ourselves. You put it in the stock market and you can make a lot of money because with the right tools and the right mindset, you can take that $1,000 and turn it to $10,000 or even $100,000. A lot of people hear this and they get scared. They get scared because of the risk. Now, I learned a lot of things during this time. Let me just tell you one thing that I learned from this. The biggest risk that you can take is not taking risk at all. Precautions when joining the stock market. Joining up and signing up for a stock brokerage is very easy. For example, you can go into Robinhood, Thinkorswim if you're 18, or even do paper trading to practice. Now, paper trading can be very different because you don't use your actual money, but practice, and we'll go into that more detail in later videos. But the hard part is to find what company you want to invest in and when to invest in it. Because there's a lot of companies out there in the stock market. I'm talking about thousands. Just to find the right one for you, you gotta choose which one you like. For me, I love the technology sector. So I used Microsoft. And you see, my reason why I like Microsoft is their services. I believe that companies that provide good services and good devices for the modern world can have a lot of potential in the future. During that time, it was $280 per share. Now, I didn't buy as much shares because I didn't have as much money. But when I bought the share and waited till it hit $320. Now, if you subtract $320, $280, you get $40 in total profit. Now, let's say you bought 10 to 100 shares, the potential of you making a lot of money is very big. As you can see, there's a lot of things that you have to consider before you buy and sell in the stock market. Trading in the stock market is not easy and it's very difficult. Trust me, I know how hard it is. So RoyalT Empire Education will help you learn more about it. Subscribe and like if you want to help us educate people and help become financially free. If you have any questions, comment down below and I'll gladly answer them.